Birmingham is the second most populous city in the United Kingdom. Mainly people attract here for shopping. There's lots of big shopping complexes, but after London, with an estimated population of just over 1.1 million, Birmingham is the second most populous city in the United Kingdom. So Birmingham is a cultural, social, financial and commercial centre of the Midlands, and frequently is referred to as the second city of the UK. And people from Birmingham are called Brummies, a term derived from the city's nickname of Brum. And you can see here there's a mixture of options available for the commuters. I mean, you can come on cycle, motorcycle, foot or car, and there's always an option for you. So you have motorcycle parking under the Birmingham Bull Ring, as well as cycle parking in a car park. Getting around the city is fairly easy. There's a lot of signage, and people, tourists in particular, can get around easily by asking passers-by for advice, as everybody seems to be very friendly. Here we've got the Birmingham coach station, as well as major theatres and the Bull Ring and the Brindley Place and the like. So there's plenty for you to do. Sea Life Centre and big buildings which are interesting if you're coming from a city which is more rural, and there's a mixture of options available for food and drink. And we have the ICC and the National Sea Life Centre here as well. And whatever you're shopping for, you'll find it very easily, because we have got a number of shops that cater to nearly everything, from food and electricals and homeware appliances. So Birmingham is an up and coming place. If you haven't been, it's a great place to come and visit and check out all the options available to you.